All right, friends, I want to introduce you to our new camper that I'm going to be starting on remodeling this week. I'm going to flip it around and show you it's just a little guy. All right, here we go. This is going to be the obviously one and only bedroom, the master bedroom. We are lucky enough to have 2 windows and that lovely valance and curtains. I'm going to back up and show you the little partition alongside that master bedroom, the one and only bedroom. We have this cupboard here. This cupboard is coming out. All that's in here is storage, and that's coming out. It's going to be rejiggered. These have to stay, but they're going to be redone. We have the kitchenette area, which I've already pulled down for the dogs. They will get completely recovered. The table will get a new treatment. Then we have the cupboards over the top of the window. This window will be replaced, and all of the wall here will be completely redone. I believe I'm going to take the doors off. I would really like to take that down, so we'll just decide what I'm going to do there, because I do have electric up there, so I'm not really sure. Back here we have the fridge, working fridge with all the housing here. This will get a little bit of a facelift as well. Then we come over here to the kitchen area. Yeah, luckily the stove is actually in pretty good shape, so I think I'm going to leave that alone. Going to put in new counters, new sink, new faucet, definitely treatment on the walls, new window coverings. I think that I'm just going to paint this out because it has so much of the electric in there. And then these will all get painted up here. And then this lovely bathroom, lucky enough to actually have a pretty decent bathroom in here with the traditional pocket door. I'm going to be jazzing that pocket door up. And here we do have this great big giant storage area. I'm either going to redo this. I may take it down and rebuild it, to be honest. It's pretty much just empty up here, so it looks to me as if I might be able to do a better job with some other system. Traditional vanity, hello. A window, surprisingly. This gonna go. Put in a small bar sink in here and a new faucet. I'll probably keep this vanity because I don't want to mess with the housing underneath it, but I'll replace all that. We're gonna put in a brand new toilet. This yellow is lovely, isn't it? And then this whole situation, this tub shower situation, we're going to replace the faucet, and I'm going to try some marine paint on that and let you know how that holds up. So that will be the only change in here, is just a good coating of paint. The flooring, it's lovely, right? I'm going to use peel and stick vinyl tiles on here. So we've done that before in our house. We've done wood versions in our other camper. Fits off. So we're going to do that again in here, and I'll show you how that works. But hang with me. I am going to be testing out all kinds of different products and ideas in this tiny little camper. And I don't have a name for it yet. I'm kind of going off of what I feel like when I'm done. I don't know. It hasn't spoken to me yet as to what it wants to be called. I'm kind of going with Scout or Gypsy. We also like Lucetta, which is Paul Bunyan's wife. But kind of playing around. I also thought of Betty White. Thought that was kind of fun, but we'll see. All right, there is the camper. Let me know what project you're most interested in.